One of my professional backgrounds is film production. One of the biggest mistakes you can make in film is to decide to fix problems in post-production. Every good filmmaker knows that you need to get what's necessary while you're actually shooting. If you postpone the post-production, you will either waste a lot of time or money. The same applies to your learning behavior. If you visit lectures in high school, college, or anywhere else, get the most from your classes. Try to clarify all your questions there, because subsequent research on your own at home will probably take a lot longer. That's a waste of time. Lectures or classes exist because you should be able to ask questions, so make use of being there. If you know ahead of time that complicated topics will be a subject of your class, make an effort and prepare by reviewing materials beforehand. This might sound crazy if you've never done it before, but think about how much time you might be wasting afterward otherwise trying to figure out the right solution to your problem. On the contrary, just a few minutes prep time before the class will give you an insight into what's coming next. That enables you to participate actively in the lecture, ask all your questions, and leave the course with an excellent knowledge of the subject matter. The time frame to process and to structure the new information afterwards at home will drop significantly and will give you more free time in the end. So definitely try this strategy and make use of it often. In this context, pay particular attention to taking more notes during the class. Students often overestimate their memory and believe they'll remember everything that the teacher said. Something that might be clear and obvious in one moment of speaking can be a big mystery just a few hours later. Therefore, detailed notes are a must in class. However, you don't have to write down everything word by word. Simply concentrate on the main key facts and the significant information. While writing, structure your thoughts well. You can use the concept of a mind map here. If you don't feel comfortable, that's fine too, but try to follow the structure of a mind map by starting with the main topic, then defining main themes, then further subcategories, and so on. If you're able to establish a structure like that, you'll be a lot quicker to memorize the subject matter later on. This also includes that you write clearly and use a proper notebook, not piles of loose papers. If questions come in your mind, write them down immediately. As mentioned before, have the courage to ask your questions during or after the class. Don't walk home confused with a bunch of questions in your head. It might take you a bit of time to find a methodical way to gain information, but it's the foundation of all subsequent steps. Once you've found a good system for you, you will enjoy the feeling of having a head start and not running after the information desperately.